Hi, everybody. It's Lauren at manteconstudio. So I'm super excited. I am offering a membership program. I've never done this before. I've been teaching and I've been in my own studio practices. You can see my studio back here for about 30 years. My whole purpose to teaching is to support you, the individual, in not only your spiritual growth, but also in your technical abilities and honing in what it is you want to say. You don't have to be advanced or even intermediate for this membership program, just all you lovers of art out there. So here's what it looks like. It's only $20 a month. And what we're going to do is you will get in your inbox a monthly art prompt that we'll be working with throughout the month. And so there'll be weekly prompts from there. You'll get a meditation. You'll get support from me. We'll have support as a group in a Facebook group. If you're not on Facebook, then you'll get it through email. And then once a month, I call it the last Friday of the month, I will do a Zoom session, a technical Q&A, ask me any question, from the philosophical, the outrageous, to how do you mix such and such with such and such to do such and such? I've been painting for over 30 years, so I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve being into mixed media processes. So all you have to do is go to, oh, I forgot to mention, also discounts on workshops. And I'm gonna start bringing in visiting artists that give little tidbits of technical information or even art that is non-traditional, if you will, because I love non-traditional. Go to www.manteconstudio, M as in man, A as in apple, N as in Nancy, T as in Tom, E as in Eric, C as in cone, O as in ocean, and N as in Nancy. manteconstudio.com and hit the members area. And that's all you need to do to join. I hope to see you there. Bye.